Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Dawn. So hello from Boracay, and I'm staying in station 2, and today we're going to take a walk through the DMall, which is kind of like an open area shopping complex in Boracay, and there are lots of nice stores. So I think the DMall goes in circle. So what happens if you keep taking the DMall, on one side you're going to hit the main street, and on other side you're going to hit the beach. And you can see that there are like several entrances. One is here, one is here, and I don't think there's anything over there. So we're just going to enter this way and keep exploring the whole DMall and see what we have. So there's going to be lots of stores, different type of stores, and I see there's tourist police everywhere, which is a good thing. And lots of restaurants, snack shops, ice cream shops. So there's like endless stores and things to do here, just to have a cup of coffee. Okay, so here I see actually a body shop here, and there's a dog here. And they even have a sale going on, and you can see that we can take this entrance.
Fruit shake, sir, from Sunday.
Or we can just go this way. So I think I'm just going to go this way. And there's a currency converter right here, and let's just walk around a little bit here to show you guys. So there's some more stores here, and then if we make a right turn here, that is going to take us to the beach section. Hello. So this is, you can see that this is going this way. And I think if we make left, then that's where it's going to be the beach. Okay, so it's kind of going in circle, and you can see that the beach is right there. That's where we came from. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just walk from this way and follow this way. So very friendly people, everyone is like smiling and saying hi, and also lots of tourists here. So let's take the right side. What I noticed that looks like the currency has gone down a lot. I didn't exchange my money earlier, and I lost lots of money. There you can see that Canadian dollar 38 peso. At one point it used to be like 45 peso. More stores. So there are lots of mango stores here, and let me just take this kind of a little bit less lit path. And I think I'm going to end up at the same place. So they play loud music at the restaurants here. I think it's a way to attract customers. So everywhere there's like some kind of music, and these stores they cook actually fresh seafood. And I see lots of people have names or something on the wall. And you can see the prices are 500 peso. Crab pasta. So one thing to note that, you know, this is a tourist destination, so definitely prices are going to be a bit higher than comparing to other Filipino cities.
More upgrade.
Okay, so now I'm just looking to see where to go. So we got a Japanese cuisine. And there's like smoking area in here where you can smoke. So this is a designated smoking area for people who are smokers, and you can see that no minors allowed within this premises, so that's a good thing. And then we have here, let's see what we missed here. So actually there's a hotel located right in here, and we got some nice views here. Okay, so there's a hotel within the DMall, and there's a restaurant here. So tropical nomad, and there's like some beach attire store. Money exchange. Okay, this one, Kokomala, has lots of people lining up. Let's see, what is this? This is a basketball game. And I think if you win, you get something. And the name of the store is Showdown. So this is a good place for kids. Then you have here mango shakes and stuff. And look at the Kokomala. Too many line up here. So they must be very good. Best island dessert. And then we have Anubo Sing. Hungry Monkey. Good name. And then here's Chinese kind of store. Okay, I don't know what is that sharp noise. It could be fire alarm, but I don't know if this is a real fire alarm or something else. It could be just, you know, a way to attract customers. So you got a nice t-shirt store in here. And you can see that I think I'm gonna get some of the t-shirts later on. 500 peso. Yeah, some of them I'm actually liking it. So 500 peso would be 8 US dollars, 9 US dollars, and 12 Canadian dollars, in that range. Okay, so what is this Easy Hub? So this is for SIM card. And we got wet shop. And people wearing beach attire. Sand on the body. Hello Mango. Okay, so this is a store I might come later. So lots of mango items in here. Yeah, we might come here later. Mango cup, 300 peso. Oh, there's a huge crocodile, and there are small stores here and there. So this is the DMall in Philippines, and there's the budget mall here. ATM machines, and say if we are exiting here, we're going to hit the main street. It's the Thai cuisine here, but these are the prices. But I don't see anyone buying anything. So this is the street food. It looks like a vehicle. This can be a nice picture island bowls. So this is one entrance to the DMall. And you can see that we have the Boracay over there. So in the next video we're going to see some different parts of Boracay. I'll see you in the next video.